OJEE application forms have been released online. The exam will be conducted in a computer-based test mode. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the OJEE application form. The application form for OJEE is the same for all courses. Visit the official website of OJEE, which is ojee.nic.in. Click on the online registration for OJEE 2025 button on the home page. You will be redirected to a new web page. Click on the Fresh Candidate Registration button and an instruction manual will appear. Read the instructions carefully and click on the I agree button. You will be redirected to the OJEE registration form where you will be required to fill in the necessary details such as the name of the applicant, date of birth, gender, mobile number, email ID, father's name, password, etc. Now click on the submit button. Candidates must carefully review the details filled in and make edits if necessary. Once you click the final submit button, you will be redirected to a new web page which shows the application progress status and application number. Proceed on to filling the OJEE application form. Fill out the complete OJEE application form with details such as birth category, domicile, family income, etc. Click on Save and Next. Now select the courses to which you wish to apply for. Candidates can choose multiple courses according to their eligibility. The application fees is ₹1000 for one course, and for each additional course, the application fees is ₹500. Now fill in the qualification details and click on Save and Next. Put in the contact details such as correspondence and permanent address. Select up to 3 preferred test cities and finally upload your photograph and signatures in the prescribed format. Click on the Review and Upload button against the document once uploaded. Check all the details and click on the Final Submit button. Now proceed to pay the application fee online to complete the OJEE application form. Once the payment is made, take a printout of the application form and fee receipt. This was all about the OJEE 2025 application process. All the best.